Hello kids. Leeds International School, Primary 3, First Term, Environmental Studies. Chapter 7, Directions. SOW reference. Textbook, page numbers 45 to 51. Lesson objectives. Students will learn about cardinal directions, about intermediate directions, how to use a compass, what direction they are going when they move from one place to another. Having a strong sense of direction is important for camping, traveling, etc. So, after learning about the directions, they will know where they are going, in what direction they will find water, the campsite, etc. Now let's see how to give the direction for someone. Remember, when you ask the direction, always say excuse me. And also, after getting the direction from someone, always you should say thank you. Here are some words and word phrases that we use to explain the direction to someone. Turn left, turn right, go straight ahead, go past, cross, at the corner of, next to, opposite, between. Look at the picture. See how Emma goes to her house from the school. Now I will tell you the route to her home. Walk along the Temple Avenue till you come to the junction. Then turn right at the clock tower into the station road. You will pass the hospital on your right. Then opposite the cinema, turn left into the garden lane. Walk past the library on your left and go straight. Turn left at the church into the stadium road. Emma's house is the third house on the right. Knowing about the four cardinal directions is very important. The four cardinal directions: north, south, east, west. The four cardinal directions or cardinal points are the directions north, east, south and west, commonly denoted by their initials N, E, S and W. Let's see what are those. N, north, S, south, E, east, W, west. Intermediate directions. Northeast. Northeast is located halfway between north and east. Southeast. Southeast is located halfway between south and east. Southwest. Southwest is located halfway between south and west. Northwest. Northwest is located halfway between north and west. As cardinal directions, the intermediate directions also commonly denoted by their initials. Let's see what are they. NE, northeast. SE, southeast. NW, northwest. SW, southwest. In the next slide, all of you can watch a video about cardinal and intermediate directions. Do you know what the picture given on this slide? It's a world map. A map is a picture of a place or places. The directions marked on maps help us to locate places. Maps show 4 directions, places, roads, and important landmarks marked on them. You can see lots of countries in this map. Can you spot Sri Lanka? Yes, you all know where is it. What is the closest country to Sri Lanka? India. Correct. Do you have relatives living in countries other than Sri Lanka? You may have relatives in Australia, Canada, Russia, etc. Is there any place in the world that you want to visit? Yes, you may like so many places in the world to visit. You can find those places from maps. Have you been to any other country? All of you, most of you must have visited other countries, or you may hope to visit. This map shows the continents and the oceans. How many continents are there in the world? There are 7 continents. What are those? Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia, Antarctica, South America, and North America. What is the largest continent among them? That is Asia. Sri Lanka is an South Asian country. Let's see what are the oceans given here. Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, North Atlantic Ocean, South Atlantic Ocean, North Pacific Ocean, and South Pacific Ocean. You all saw oceans in the previous slide. This slide shows the seas in the world map. Mediterranean Sea, Black Sea, Aegean Sea. Now let's see a map of Sri Lanka. This is a road map. This map shows the major roads, other roads, and also national capital city, major cities, other cities, so on. This map shows the important landmarks on Sri Lanka. Here you can see the places like Anuradhapura, Polonnaruwa, Kandy, and so on. So if you need to visit these places, you can follow this map. This is a picture of a compass. What is a compass? A compass is an instrument containing a magnetized pointer which shows the direction of magnetic north. How to find your way using a compass? To find your way on maps, the first thing you need to know is how to read a compass. A compass has 4 cardinal points, namely north, east, south and west. The intercardinal or ordinal directions are northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. Remember that a compass on a map will show you where the cardinal points are for that specific map. The compass will not always show north pointing to the top of the map. Therefore, always make sure that you check where the compass shows north on that specific map. Here are some people who use compasses. You can see the first picture. They are travelers. The second picture, he is a hunter. Third picture shows a sailor. 3 of these group people are using compasses. Compass rose. What is a compass rose? A flower-like design that is drawn on maps to show directions. Look at this map. This is the United States of America. Can you spot the compass rose on this map? Yes, you can see that clearly. Summary of the lesson. You all know that there are four main cardinal directions. They are east, west, north and south. Northwest, northeast, southeast and southwest are intermediate directions. We call those as intercardinal directions. Maps help us to spot many important things. A compass is used to find directions. A compass rose is found on maps. Now we have come to the end of the lesson. Read the lesson again and answer the worksheet. You can get the help of the directions given on top right corner. There are some pictures. What are those? House, barn, paddy field, pond, garden, animal pen, orchard, tea bush. The questions of this is given in the next slide. Follow the directions. Find the place that is east of the house. Circle it in red. Find the place that is south of the paddy field. Circle it in green. Find the place that is north of the garden. Circle it in blue. Find the place that is east of the garden. Circle it in brown. I hope you all enjoyed the lesson. Thank you.